Let us now look into our third FRQ. Well, in this question, users are visiting a website, and at the end of each visit, they are supposed to give a review about the website. So now, each review is represented by the object of the review class, which consists of an integer indicating the user's rating and an optional string which contains the comment or a string review given by the user about the website. So now this comment field is a review object, ends with a period, exclamation point, or letter. Or we can also say it is a string of length 0 just in case user did not enter any comment. So let us now try to look into our review class. So this review class has integer instance variable rating, which is used to store the integer values which the user has given as the rating. And then a string comment. So this comment is a string type of review, okay, in the form of sentences. So after that, we have a constructor which initializes the rating and the comment. And then we have a method getRating, which is used to fetch the rating of the review. All right. Now, we have another method getComment, which is again used to fetch the comment of the review. Now, let's go further. Going further, what is mentioned here is the review analysis class contains the method used to analyze the reviews provided by the users. So you will write two methods of review analysis class. So it's clear that we have to write the implementation of two methods. Okay. So let us first analyze this review class. So this review class has a array variable, instance variable, all reviews, which is of type private. Okay, which has the private access. Now, we have a constructor. Of course, the purpose of constructor we already know. It is just used to initialize the instance variables. Next, we have a method getAverageRating. So this method is used to return a double value to us. And what is this double value? This double value represents the average of all the ratings which are given by the user so far. Okay. Next, we have collectComments. CollectComments method is used to return an array list of string objects containing the comments given by the user, all the comments given by the user so far. Okay. So let's go further. So this question is divided into two parts. So let us see what we are supposed to do in its part A. So in part A, we have to write the review analysis method, a method of review analysis class. What's the name? getAverageRating. So we have to write the implementation of getAverageRating method, which returns the average rating of all the reviews so far. So let's take an example. So let's say these are the ratings, and below that are the comments. So all the ratings 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2 and 3, all of them we are going to add them, and finally we are going to divide them by the number of comments to give the average rating. Okay. So we have to implement this in the getAverageRating method. So let's try to look into our question into little more detail. So I'll just summarize it to you, okay? So the information given in the question is we have a review class with rating and comment as the instance variable, review constructor, getRating and getComment methods. Now we have a review analysis class where all reviews is an array. Then we have review analysis constructor, getAverageRating method, whose implementation we have to write. Array list type of, the collectComments method, which will return an array list, which will actually have the comment or the string reviews given by the user. Okay. So let us look into the solution of part A. What I have done here is I have taken two variables, total rating and number of reviews, both initialized to 0. Okay. So now we are going to take a for loop which will iterate over the variable review. So what will happen? All reviews is an array which contains all the reviews. Okay. Now we will iterate over all the reviews one by one with the help of this for loop. Now, total rating, what we will do over here is we will first fetch the rating from the review, current review, and then we will add it into the total rating variable. See, plus equals to, correct? And after that, number of reviews, we will be incrementing it every time by 1. Why? Because this will take, you can say, this will keep a track of how many reviews are there so far. Okay. Now, if the number of reviews are greater than 0, we will return a double value. What is this double value? We will calculate the average. So this is the formula to calculate the average of all the ratings. Total ratings divided by number of reviews. Okay. So why we are doing it only if a number of reviews are greater than 0? Because of course, if there are no ratings, no reviews, then how we will calculate the average? So in the case where there are no reviews, we will simply return 0.0 as the average. Okay.